Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send snaps to everyone on Snapchat. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Snapchat. Once you open Snapchat, you simply need to take a snap. Okay, once you take a snap, you simply need to click on send to, and on the top you will find the option of shortcuts. Click on that option and click on new shortcut, and here you need to add your friends in that shortcut. So let me select friends, and then you need to choose a emoji. So I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and then you need to click on OK. So let me select a emoji first. Okay, and the shortcut is created. Then you need to click on create shortcut. Okay, and then you need to select this, and then you need to click on save. Okay, and then you need to click on this icon and click on select all, and then you need to share the snap with your friends. So this is a process by which you can send snap to everyone at once on Snapchat. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.